that. You're welcome.
Easy. Brought me from the darkness into glorious light. They all left me because they're fake. F-A-K-E. Fake. I just got ice cream for the second time and I'm not paying. I'm like, you're stealing from Jesus. I'm going.
Is this your daughter?
It is my daughter.
My lord, my lord.
What are you at for?
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I was shocked. It was
I
shocking.
was shocked too that you won.
Oh.
Why is there a vlog?
Because we're vlogging.
Hi.
Hey, Bets.
What?
Huh? Hey, girl. She might be.
I came to get the lighter stick. This is Lizzie. So legit. Say hi, guys. Oh.
Good job. Woo! Hi, I took it.
What's up?
You're welcome. Wait,
Go, girl.
can I get a... Wait, let me Lillian. Hey, sucks to suck. God is really good. What's up, kid?
Do you guys have like the toys or sparkling water? No.
Give her power.
I love people so much.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you're gonna need a ladder for that one, sister.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna grow though. I promise. I am.
Yeah, that's what I said too.
We don't have milkshakes.
Oh, I don't have any over here.
Why would we have milkshakes, bro? Why would we have milkshakes back here just chilling?
So nasty. Hey, Uncle Brandon, say hi to the vlog. Hey, can I? Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
It's on.
Imagine liking Propel so much that you'll get the worst kind.
You like cheese, just a minute. Tell her the cheese is amazing.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. You guys selling a lot of stuff?
He was blind, and now he can see.
Hey, live on the ice cream social. They're really good.
No high five.
Nothing else? Hey, I'll give her a side hug when she left. Hey, hold on. Hey, I put my arm around her and she pulled away. First time. Pull up the PDF. I want to find us.
I need $1, bro. Thank you. Wait, what? I think it works. Like, I just stopped.
You can't say that you and
The bell rang. The bell rang. Bye, Ashley.
It was a good year, everybody.
We're done.
Padum. Lesson of the day. Pada doesn't work. Just Padum.
It was just like I was like, well, there was one upstairs.
What are your fries? Those are your fries? Yeah. Girl, no, they ain't. Yeah. These are the ones I brought back from the kitchen. No, mine were over there.
Honey, I ate all yours, Bella.
I brought some back from the kitchen and then I dumped some in and then I put the. See, this is how you know they're mine.
Bella, I
Because I
ate
double
yours.
stacked them.
Bella, I ate them all.
So we're done. There's Hallie.
Bye, vlog. It was so fun.
It was so very fun. Bye. Did you fun?